Welcome to the Dreamscape Dish project. Let's make this adorable cloud-shaped dish together. Grab your materials from the ARTIFY Pottery Home Kit and let's get started. First, roll out about 2/3 of the clay and flatten it to about 7 millimeters thick with a rolling pin, making sure it's even. This will be the base of your dish. Next, use a carving knife to draw and cut out a cloud shape. Then remove the extra clay around it. Precision here will help make your dish look polished. Now, roll the leftover clay into a thick coil and stretch it to fit around the cloud edge. Brush a bit of water along the edge and press the coil onto it, ensuring it fits smoothly. Roll the remaining clay into a similar coil and attach it to the existing one, trimming any excess. Use a sculpting tool to fill and smooth the connection between the coils, making sure there are no visible gaps. Press the outer edge towards the coil for a seamless connection and smooth out all joints and edges until they're polished. Tip: make light grooves before smoothing to strengthen the bond. Keep adjusting and smoothing until everything looks even. Your Dreamscape dish is really taking shape now. For extra smooth edges, use water and a sponge. Add personal touches by using the stamp set to press your favorite word or name into the center of the dish. Let your dish dry for about 3 days. Once dry, use the sanding sponge to smooth any rough edges and ensure the surfaces are even and soft. Your Dreamscape dish is now ready to use or display. Enjoy that handmade touch in your home. Thanks for making the Dreamscape dish with us, and don't forget to share your creations using #ArtifyArtSupplies.